hasn't been 2 weeks since I left Manila, and girl, I'm going back! I'm currently in Malaysia right now, but they gave me extra days off. So, come book a flight with me. Pag-land natin ng 5, makakauwi tayo agad around 5:30. Magpapak ako mabilis, maliligo ako, and then we'll hope we get unloaded on this flight. Samahan niyo ako magmadali. I'm off to the airport and I booked a flight from Doha to Hong Kong because last minute the Manila load became super overbooked. Just a few minutes ago, I think they offloaded me already. Now I'm off to the airport. Let's see if I make it. Punta kami ng Hong Kong. We got accepted. Takbo. Bibilhan ko lang mabilis si Franz ng regalo.
Yeah, ask her.
Gift secured. Tinawagan na ako sa asawa ko dahil binilang kita ng regalo. Nagtatatakbo ako ngayon. Hindi ako natutulog. Galing pa akong Malaysia. So the gate is A8. I'm here at A3. Malayo ko pa. Nalikutan na ako ng hininga. Aray mo. Ayun na.
Yes, Princess.
Benjing Lee, thank you sir.
Thank you so much,
So just
ma'am.
confirm.
Salamat po. Kailangan mo kumalma. Nakapasok ka na. I don't need to rush now. This is so far. Belt number 13. Ang galing, nagdala pa ng maleta. Wala pa yung bags. Pero I think I'll make it. Inshallah. Lord, help me. Please, please, sana mandar ka na, Lord. Please, give me the bags. Bakit ako nagdala ng bag? Ang syong ako. Takbo! Excuse me. Oh my God, Lord, help me. Lord. Philippine Airlines. Philippine Airlines.
Yeah, what happened to your passport?
No. Please.
Baggage cannot guarantee to go on this flight.
Baggage cannot catch up on this flight. Do you still go on this
Cannot
flight?
guarantee to get on this flight.
But what will happen to my bags if ever?
Next flight.
See, if you cannot find it in the carousel in Manila, ask the ground staff first.
Okay. Lord, grabe ang galing mo. You're the best. Gate number is gate number 12. Perfect. It's very near. Ang bait na Diyos, man. Otherwise, I'm taking the 7 a.m. tomorrow. And I don't know where I will stay. I hope that my suitcase can make it. What a journey. Grabe, sobrang nakakapagod nga nung journey natin. But guys, we brought Princess home. Thank you guys for joining me until our next one.